Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair fell 0.6% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed 4.3% in the last session. The CCI indicates an overbought market. The gold-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Oil prices rose, rebounding from an early fall of more than $1 a barrel on a lift from a weaker dollar and supply concerns highlighted by Saudi Arabia's energy minister. After Britain's briefed Prime Minister Liz Truss unleashed her mini-budget on September the 23rd, a section of investors stampeded away from the pound and towards the cryptocurrency. Trading volumes between Bitcoin and the pound jumped 233% in September from the month before. Bitcoin has risen nearly 5% in value to above $20,000 for the first time in about 3 weeks, and Ether is ahead just shy of 11% to its highest price since the merge, leading a broad rally in cryptocurrencies and related stocks.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US new home sales will be released at 1400 hours GMT. The US MBA mortgage applications at 1100 hours GMT. The French consumer confidence at 0645 GMT. Japan's coincident index will be released at 0500 hours GMT. Japan's leading economic index at 0500 hours GMT. Australia's consumer price index at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.